The hotel room, you guys. Look how cute this is. Boards and stuff. There's a coffee table stuff. Ooh, the design is so cute. And here is the bathroom. Ooh, yes. Look at this bathroom, you guys. And this mirror is so cute. The sink. Oh my god, this is so cute. Show you guys how cute that is. And here is the bathroom with the regular toilet seat. Okay. And
Yeah, they have a fridge. Okay, I'm not good.
closet. Oh my god, you guys. Ooh, there's robes, but there's only 2.
Oh, up there, isn't it? Is that a bed or?
I don't know.
Casey, go.
And then we have a mirror, you guys.
No, that's just a.
Ooh, yes. Our beds. Look how cute this is. The design's cute here. Our TV. Our TV, and then we have drawers. Okay, okay. And girl, look, this is so cute, you guys. They have a cute little mirror and a little table right here. And oh my gosh, you guys are ready for this? You guys are gonna be seeing the view from the balcony of our hotel, you guys. This is so cute. I'm trying to open it so I could go out here for a bit. Ooh, yes. This is so cute, you guys. Woo. To the beach over there. Oh my gosh, so cute. Ah, it's cold. I'm going back inside. People are like out there closing the door, you guys.
Here's the picture.
What? And yeah, that is the room tour, you guys. What? I'm giving them a room tour. Are we taking pictures?
Get closer.
This is not seeing us good. But yeah. Oh yeah, that is our room, you guys. And yeah, it looks kind of like big, but it's kind of small. So yeah.
To me, it's just like a regular.
Yeah.
Like ocean view.
I feel like it's just like a regular hotel, like yeah.
Just the ocean view.
Yeah.
That's why you keep keys.
Here, guys. It's so pretty. Ooh. Oh my god, it's so pretty here, you guys. Come on. Yes. Let's take a view of this gorgeous beach. photo shoot later, you guys. Oh man, we don't have our sandals. Yeah. Right now it's like super. This is so beautiful, you guys. Look at this view. That's gorgeous. What the heck? That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is perfect for a photo shoot. It's so gorgeous. This is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous here, you guys. Huh? Look at this. It's like a walkway, you guys. It's so cute. That's what I was saying. Photo shoot looks like so cute over here. Look at that, you guys. So gorgeous. We're gonna take photos by the beach later, you guys. Over there. So nice. Huh? I feel like it's so... I feel like it's like so like... Girl, I'm at the beach. Ew, how are you? No, you don't. Our food is so bomb. Please have the receipt. Why did they take it? Are they coming? So beautiful. So dark. Woo! Woo! Okay, guys. Just got done taking some pictures on the photo shoot. Woo. You guys don't want any more pictures? Just look at the beautiful view, you guys. This is so gorgeous.
Jessica, go. Oh my God. Cold. I'll stay in the jacuzzi. Yeah. Go in there, May. Thấy lưng đó, đó.
Mày trời nhớ. I'm not going in, but I might step on it.
I told you. I need to hold this.
It's so beautiful outside with the lights and the pool. So pretty. You guys, my vlog. Girl. She don't want to be in my vlog.
You put me in it.
I'm gonna put you in it anyway. These have like, I don't know if you guys can tell, they have these lights right here. So pretty, guys. And we just drank a bunch of drinks. So yeah, we're just chilling right now. Little bumble hả? You guys, I'm recording. The lighting out here is so, my makeup is so messed up, you guys. But anyways, it's so beautiful up here with all these lights. Huh?
Hey, Mom. Remember
Where are we going?
You won again? The last time you won, right?
Where are we gonna go? Where are we going?
You didn't work the last time.
We should try those drinks down there. The ones in the bar. No, like the ones over there, but I don't know what time they close. Gila.
Mom, look. What's this?
I know. One minute up with the price. What?
I know, I want to go try those down there. The ones down there. Because they're only like, what yeah. Maybe next time. My eyes.
Feels like a Marco Polo. Marco.
Finish it. Give me it. Let me sip it up. I don't know what to tell you.
I have a sweater you can wear. I bought 2 sweaters. You want to wear it? Extra large. Chicken.
Nice. We just finished drinking, you guys. and we drank a few drinks. And it ended up being like $100 or something, you guys. But yeah, we're gonna, I don't know where we're going, but yeah. Where are we going?
Oh my God.
Oh, nada. You guys, she just totally pressed the freaking elevator, and we're on the 3rd floor. What the heck? Come here, Georgie. Okay.
Look at me.
Tripping, bruh. Tripping. Back into our room. Turn the light. Turn the light on.
Turn the lights on.
Stay out there. Yo, they will party, no?
Ooh, yeah. Balcony is gorgeous, you guys. Oh shit.
He left. You have to go back over there.
Yes, no one's out here. You can't see the beach from here because it is so dead.
People now.
There's nobody out here anymore, you guys. But no one's out here. We are out here with our balcony chairs, and no one's out here, so we're just gonna chill. Well, I'm just gonna chill because I'm out here with me. But yeah, look out there, you guys. Ooh, yes. It's dark now. Woo. No one's out there now. You guys are not coming out here? Where's everyone? So yeah, I'm by myself. No one's out here, and yeah, just out here by myself. How come you guys are not coming out? Wait, what are we doing?
I don't understand this.
Back inside. Ooh. So what, are we taking a shower and we're just gonna call it a night or something? I'm getting hungry. But it's just cold.
They have a microwave in the first lobby by Shandor.
Are we gonna go microwave the food?
You guys want to? If I didn't, cho anh à. Just
Yeah.
make a snack.
Go microwave the food. Go microwave my food. I want to eat some bread.
Có tất cả. Lấy chứ không.
Oh, dang it.